Architecture Sans Frontières International, or ASF, is an independent network of non-profit organisations concerned with the social development aspects of the built environment. Our members usually partner with local civil society organisations worldwide to jointly support communities who are vulnerable to a range of stresses and shocks in their neighbourhoods. So we focus on issues such as post-disaster reconstruction, places undergoing rapid change, conservation of physical and cultural heritage, and more generally providing architectural and technical services to communities who don't have access to it. The ASF network consists of over 30 civil society organisations based in different countries around the world. The majority of the ASF member organisations are led by volunteers and have charitable status. Most of the members have a background in architecture and other built environment professions, but they also come from development and social research. So how do we work? Well, ASF members tend to focus on practical projects at the neighbourhood level. Some members are more focused on designing social facilities, some focus on sustainable construction that is sensitive to the local context, others focus on building the capacity of communities to get more involved in the design and development of their neighbourhoods. Members tend to run projects with a range of different stakeholders. We work in partnership with local organisations as well as with national and international agencies such as UN Habitat. We also work very closely with the people that live and work in the affected neighbourhoods. Often this involves ensuring that a range of voices, especially those that are excluded, marginalised or invisible, are included in a meaningful way in the decisions affecting their everyday lives. However, one of the challenges facing built environment professionals is that the formal training they receive doesn't fully equip them to work with vulnerable and marginalised groups. As a consequence, a key part of ASF's work is to train built environment professionals in ways of approaching urban development that are more inclusive, appropriate and sustainable. For this purpose, we have developed an independent learning programme called Challenging Practice. This programme enables built environment practitioners to engage in a reflective manner with the challenges of inclusive and sustainable urban development and has a strong focus on participatory design. The course is based on principles of active, dynamic and action-based learning, and it places a strong emphasis on the ethical component of engaged learning. For 10 years, ASF has been leading the field in participatory design in development. However, the challenges our members now face are changing. The challenge we're facing now is that there is a demand from communities themselves to be trained so that they can engage more directly in the issues that are affecting them. This has been pushing us to broaden our understanding of who is the expert and where knowledge and power should lie in development processes. Inclusion can be built into development processes, we just need the will and the right tools to enable us and others to do it.